You oil your hair, you deep condition it, you use every product that promises growth. You use all the cloves, rosemary, and whatsoever hair care products that promises growth, but your hair still refuses to grow. You're not alone. I have been there myself. Today I'm exposing 7 silent mistakes that keep your hair stuck. Stay till number 7. That one shocked me. Hi, welcome back to HairBloom with Adaz. This is a space where we talk about hair, everything hair care, hair growth tips, protective hairstyles, and all that good stuff about your hair. If this is what you like, kindly hit the subscribe button, like this video, and also share. Remember to turn up your notification icon to get you notified whenever we post videos. Let's just dive into the video. I remember standing in front of the mirror frustrated. I've done moisturizing, done everything YouTube said, and still no progress. In fact, I almost lost hope of my hair completely until I realized it wasn't my product, not at all. It was my habits. Let me walk you through step by step what I have learned and how I was able to manage hair length just like this. First, oiling on dry, dirty hair. When the scarf is coated with dirt or old oil, new oil can't penetrate. It just sits there. Always start on clean or slightly damp hair so the oil can lock in real moisture. The second mistake is pouring oil and walk away. The secret isn't just the oil, it's the massage. 3 minutes of gentle circular motion of blood flow tells your root, wake up and grow. We love sleek ponytails and neat braids. When your scarf hurts, your hair is crying. Constant tensions weakens follicles and leads to traction, alopecia. Switch it up. Try low buns, loose twists, or puff that lets your scarf breathe. Number 4, skipping wash day. You can't keep applying oils and butters without cleansing. A dirty scarf suffocates follicles. Use a mild shampoo or a black soap mixed weekly or every 2 weeks. Your scarf will thank you. Number 5, inconsistency. You use a product once and then jump to another. Hair takes time. Give yourself or give your routine at least 2 months. Think of your hair like a plant. Water it, feed it, and wait or watch it to grow. Growth follows patience. So you don't plan to see results just a week after start using a product. Wait at least 2 months for your routine before you change into another product. And in case you're looking for a product that can boost your hair growth, we have our Adaz herbal growth cream, which is 100% ayurvedic, 100% naturals that boost hair growth in no time. When I say no time, I also mean consistency. Okay, let's move on. The 6th mistake is neglecting your ends. They are the oldest parts of your hair and it break fast. This is what I'm talking about, the extreme end of your hair. This is it. Can you see that? Okay, if you lose 1 inch at the end, you cancel 1 inch of growth at the root. Moisturize them, seal them with oils, trim when necessary, maybe if you want, but personally I hardly do that. Okay, when needed, protect your progress and move on. Sometimes trimming your split ends gives you a good length retention. Number 7, ignoring your body. Stress, hydration, lack of sleep, and poor diet all slow hair growth. Drink water, eat fruits, rest well. Healthy hair starts inside. When your mind and body are calm, your hair responds beautifully. Let's recap. Number 1, we said clean scarf, massage it. Number 2, number 3, gentle style. Number 4, wash regularly. Number 5, be consistent. Number 6, protective ends. And number 7, care for your body. That's all. No miracle products, just habits that works. If I can grow mine, you as well can grow yours. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to follow this channel. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more hair care tips and hair content, all that good stuff. Thank you so much. I will see you all in my next video. Sure you like this. If you do, please give this video a thumbs up. Thank you and bye.